Namaste children, welcome to social online class. How are you all doing children? Hope you all are fine and taking necessary precautions and boosting your immune system. Children, do not forget to wash your hands frequently and do not move out of your house. So let's recap what we have learnt in previous class children. Children, I told you to ask your mother what was the lullaby song she sang for you when you are small. I hope you all have asked your mother and you have written in the textbook. And we learned, children learn everything very quickly, and even you learned many things from your parents, right children? So parents are your first teachers and your home is your first school. And we learned about occupation. Occupation means any work done to earn money. So whatever the work we do, we are doing it to earn the money, to get the money. So people do different types of jobs to earn a livelihood. To earn a livelihood means they are doing the job to get the money, and with that money they will get the basic necessities like food, clothing, shelter. So if they work, they'll get the money. With the money only they'll get all these things. Like example, farmer, potter, tailor, embroider. All these jobs are learnt by people from their parents. So these people have learned from their parents to do the work and to earn the money. And these jobs are called as skilled occupations because they learned how to do that job. So that's why these jobs are called as skilled occupations. There are some other jobs where people learned just by watching others, like sweepers, handcart pullers, hawkers and coolies. So these jobs are called as unskilled occupations because here they are not learning. Just by observing only they are able to do this type of works. So these jobs are called as unskilled occupations. Children, please remember the difference between skilled occupations and unskilled occupations. So in today's class we are going to learn some other occupations which we cannot learn from parents or by watching others. So till now we have discussed where people learned by watching from the parents, and some people just by observing the others they learn to do the work. But whereas some occupations which we cannot learn from the parents or from some other people or by just watching. So let us see what are those occupations. There are many other occupations that cannot be taught inside the house or by watching other people. You have to study and then get special training for the professions. So here they are saying that we cannot learn these jobs at home, I mean from parents or just by watching the other people. For these occupations you have to study and you have to get the special training. So when you are studying and taking special training, so that's why these occupations are also called as professions. So like pilot, you all know who is pilot, right children? Yes, pilot is a person who controls the flight by operating its directions. So he transports people as well as goods from one place to another place. And next is scientist. Scientist is a person who conducts research and studies in detail about any one topic to gain knowledge, to gain more knowledge in which they are interested. Next, architect. Architect is a person who plans and designs the construction of a building. Whereas astronaut means a person who is trained to travel in spacecraft. You all know, right, children? Yes? Next, teacher. Who is teacher, children? Yes, teacher is a person who helps students to learn and acquire knowledge. Next, lawyer. Lawyer is also called as an advocate who works in courts. They advise the people about legal rights. I mean, what are the rights we have and which we have to follow according to the government rules and regulations. Soldiers. A soldier is a person who works in an army to protect us from our enemy countries. Soldier job is a very tough job, children, because they will not have any comforts the place where they work, but still they do for our sake and for the protection of country. So always we have to respect our soldiers. Next is engineer. An engineer designs and makes machines, buildings, houses, roads, bridges, etc. Engineer has to study engineering from a college. Engineer plays an important role in the progress of a country. So here, engineer is the person who designs and makes the machines. For example, in factories, we find big machines, right, children? Yes. So those machines are designed by the engineers. And buildings, big buildings, you can say apartments, houses, roads, bridges. Yes, children. So all these are designed by the engineer. So engineer has to study engineering from a college. So it's a special training, children. Engineering is a special training, and engineer plays an important role in the progress of a country, because with the help of the engineers only we are able to have good roads and bridges, beautiful houses. Yes, children. So they plays a very important role in the development of our country. Doctor. Doctor looks after our health by giving us medicines and guiding us to keep the diseases away. Children, whenever we fall sick, immediately we run to doctor. Yes, children. So after going to doctor, we tell the problem what we have, like cold, cough, stomach pain or headache, whatever it is. So when we tell our problem, doctor checks our body and he gives us medicines and guide us what to take them, when to take that medicines and what type of food we have to take when we are taking the medicines to keep the diseases away. So there are special doctors for different health problems. So like if you take heart related problem, so there will be a separate doctor. He is called as cardiologist. Like if you take dental problems, there will be a dental doctor. If it is a skin problem, if we have a skin problem, we go to dermatologist. Yes, if we have a eye problem, we go to ophthalmologist. Yes, so for different problems, we go to different doctor. So for normal problems like cough, cold, headache, for that we go to general physician. For small problems, we go to general physician. But if it is a particular different health problem related to particular organ, we go to a special doctor. Some Indian doctors are world famous. World famous means overall, they are famous even in the other countries also. Many people come to India from other countries for medical treatment. This is known as medical tourism. So here they are saying that people from other countries, they are coming to India only for the treatment. Means they are having some health problem, so for that reason they are coming to India to take the treatment from the special doctors. So as I said, there are special doctors for special problems, right? So for that reason people from all over the world coming to India to take the treatment. So we have to be very proud, children. So we have a world famous doctors in our India. So when people are coming to India for the medical treatment, only for the medical treatment, this is called as medical tourism. Here we are going to know about the famous engineer. He is called as Electrovalapil Sridharan. He is an engineer, children, and also he is known as the Metro Man. So let us know why he is called as Metro Man. He set up a world class metro in Delhi. You all know metro, right, children? Metro rail. Even now we have, right? So he is the person who designed the metro rail in Delhi. During his tenure, all the phases of metro lines were completed by their due dates. So tenure means service. So when he is working as an engineer, he completed all the work which is related to the metro before the given date. So for every work there will be a date, right, children? Suppose if I give an assignment or activity, I will tell you submit by so and so date, right? So he is the person who has completed all the work of metro rail by the given date. Mr. Sridharan and his team's success lays in 3 words, that is discipline, punctuality and honesty. So here they are saying that how Sridharan completed his work within the due date, because he followed 3 words, that is discipline, punctuality and honesty. Discipline means what, children? You all know, right? Yes, we have to be very responsible to the given work. Punctuality means doing on the time, and honesty means we have to be truthful. So with these 3 words, he has followed these 3 words, so that's why he is able to complete his work within the due date. So the same way, even we have to follow these 3 words to complete our work, whatever it may be, children. We have to follow these 3 words, then only we could able to complete our work before the due date. Learn today, children. We have learned the occupations which we need study and special training. Example: doctor, lawyer, teacher, pilot, scientist, etc. What is medical tourism? So when people comes from other countries to take the treatment in India, that is known as medical tourism. Engineers plays an important role in the progress of a country. So how engineers helping our country for the development? Engineers, because engineers are important because they designs the bridges, roads. Yes, children. So that bridges and roads help us to have relation with the connection and relation with the other states and countries. So by that we will be having a development in our country. So that's why engineers plays a very important role. Children, by this we have completed our lesson 6 explanation. Now let us do textbook exercises. First one, tick the correct option, page number 42. The occupation that requires special training. Options are scientist, fruit vendor, milkman. So what is the right answer, children? Scientist is the right answer. Tick A, children. The cities with a metro rail facility in India are Jaipur and Amritsar, Jammu and Agra, Delhi and Kolkata. Answer is Delhi and Kolkata. Of course, now even in Hyderabad we have metro facility. The person who repairs leaking taps is a doctor, gardener, plumber. What is the right answer, children? Plumber. Plumber is the person who repairs our leaking taps. The main occupation of people living in villages is teaching, farming, acting. Farming is the right answer. Tick B, children. Next, fill in the blanks. Help box they have given, children. With the help of the help box, we will fill in the blanks. The memory of lullaby stays with the dash forever. Answer is child. Children learn everything very quickly. Children, write neatly and correctly in your textbook. A farmer's child watches his father and learns to sow the seeds. Any work done to earn money is called an occupation. An engineer makes machines, bridges, buildings, etc. Now see bit, children, match the following. Here they have given the occupations and here they have given the work, the things which are related to these occupations. Doctor. So what is the answer for doctor, children? Medicine. Doctor gives us medicine, right? Next, engineer. So what is the answer for engineer? Machines, because engineer designs machine. Pilot. What he do, children? He drives the aeroplane. Yes, children. Who controls the aeroplane? Next, potter. So potter, for potter answer is clay, because potter uses clay to make the pots. Next, tailor. Tailor answer is needle, because with the help of the needle tailor stitches the clothes. Not only with the help of the needle, there are many other materials. Among them, needle is also very important. So answer is needle. Children, this is page number 44 under something to do. First one, complete the name of the occupations linked with. So here they have given the material. So by reading these materials, you have to identify what is that occupation. First one, crops and farms. So occupation, what is linked with crops and farms, children? What is that work we do? Farmer. So farmer works with crops and farms. Next, tape and sewing machine. Who uses this tape and sewing machine, children? Tailor. Next, saw, nails and wood. Who uses these materials? Carpenter. Answer is carpenter. Next, taps and pipes. So who fits and repairs leakages, taps and pipes, children? Plumber. Bricks and cement. Who uses this material, children? Mason. Next, pen, book, blackboard. Who uses this, children? Teacher. Yes, they have given the letters in between. By that you can identify the occupation name, children. Write the correct spelling. Next, second one. Along with a doctor, many other people work in a hospital. Yes, children, is it right? Yes. Not only doctor, we find many people working in the hospital, right? So you have to name some of them. Example, they have given nurse. You can write compounder. Compounder is the person who helps a nurse. Receptionist. Receptionist is the person who, whenever we want the doctor's appointment, we call to the receptionist, right children, to the hospital. And ambulance driver, yes, ambulance driver is also very important, right, to take the patient to from house to hospital or from hospital to house. And also you can write pharmacist. Pharmacist is the person who sells the medicines in the hospital. Like this you can write children. It is not compulsory that the answers what I gave here. You can write whatever you feel like to. Next, many civic amenities are necessary to make our life comfortable. Civic amenities. Amenities means facilities, children. Amenities means facilities which are necessary to make our life comfortable. Name two occupations related with the following civic amenities. So what are the facilities which we required in our daily life? So for that, who are the people working for electricity? So to have electricity for us, who is the person working? Electrician, and there will be a helper for this electrician. He is called as electrical helper. Next, water. Water is also very important, right children? Yes, it starts with, we start our day with the water, right? Plumber and trained helper. Who helps the plumber in his work. Next, roads. For roads, engineer, because he designs the roads, right? And also you can write architect, also you can write, and also mason you can write. Okay children? Next, bridges. Again for bridges, engineer, because he designs, and you can write here mason again, architect or constructor. Constructor means who supervises the construction. Next, market. Market, we find vegetable seller, vegetable keeper or helper. There will be people, right, who will arrange the vegetables and fruits and other goods in the market. Next, school. School, here you can write principal ma'am, teacher, ayamma, school bus drivers. Like this you can write children. Okay? Okay children, by this we have completed even textbook exercise also. I want all you children to complete these textbook exercises by the next class, because in the next class I am going to give you the notes. Okay children? Thank you. Have a happy learning.